Hey everyone, we're here with the EC-1500 in RealFlight 9, and behind the camera with me today is my nephew Logan, and he just has flown the E-Flite Apprentice trainer, and we're going to put him in something way more advanced than that. We were kind of going through the menu here, and he says, you know, what do you want to go fly? And we picked this thing out. With Say Select, we're going to hand him the controls. He has, Logan, you've never flown an RC plane, right?
No.
Your only experience with flying simulator is one flight in the Apprentice, right?
Correct.
All right, well, we're going to hand you the controls. Safe Select is activated, and we're just going to let him go rip this thing around the air and see how he does. Power that thing up. All right, hold on, we got the, here we go. I had the flaps down from a previous flight, so he's on it. He's flying at about 60% throttle right now. In fact, I think that takeoff was only about 50 or 60% throttle. And with Say Select, he's got a little bit more of a controlled envelope where he's not able to loop or roll. So he's kind of got the training wheels on a little bit, but I'll tell you what, I don't think there's anything wrong with that, especially if you're learning. Look, you're doing really well. This is a pretty complex airplane. Twin engine, gobs of power. You're doing just fine with it. Look at that. Now, would I consider this, you know, a second airplane after the Apprentice? I don't know. Without flying a real one in real life, I just don't know if you'd be suitable for a second airplane or not. But looking at how my nephew Logan here is flying this thing around, it would suggest to me that if you could fly a trainer, a high wing trainer, you could probably get yourself into an EC-1500 here. And that's a heck of a lot more of an airplane than the Apprentice is. Okay, once you go full throttle, push that thing all the way up here, and let's do a fast pass, shall we? Bring that thing around. Alright, don't let it get too far away. Okay, pull the throttle back. You see, that thing gets up and goes pretty quick, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
That twin engine. Alright, try to bring it back home. Well, there we go. Doing all right. I think it's coming back around now. We got pretty far out there with the airplane. You know, that's the thing. It's a pretty fast bird. But you did all right. You know, that you were basically flying a little dot around the sky. That thing was out there pretty far. All right, get the thing back here. Okay, what I'm going to have him do is I'm going to bring it in, have him bring it in a little bit closer. You can power that down to about half power. There you go, about 50% throttle. Let's just cruise right about 50% throttle. Let's get the airplane down a little bit lower to the ground here. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna turn safe off once, and we're just gonna see how well do you do without any limitations on bank and roll. You see, there you go. He's trying full motion there, and you can see the computer just won't allow that to happen. So, all right, when I flip a switch here, I'm gonna have you bring it around a little bit closer again. You will have full roll controls. You're gonna be very careful on the sticks because she's going to want to roll over on you, okay?
Okay.
So let's see how well she does, all right? Okay. All right. Here you go. Get the feel of it. Very little gentle movements. You know, give it a little bit more power to get up in the air. There you go. There. Okay, bring it around. Whoa! All right. We'll turn safe back on there. But I'll tell you what, you didn't do too bad. This is a highly aerobatic airplane. And for someone who's only their second flight and their first flight without safe, I think you did not too bad on that. All right, Logan, why don't you go ahead and bring that thing around for a landing, shall you?
All right.
I'll help you with the flaps. You just handle the controls. There you go. All right, we'll bring one notch flaps. Pull up a little bit. Good. More power, more power, more power. Oh. All right, well. He's going to be walking into the thick stuff there, but I tell you, for your first flight, what do you think of this?
Fun. I like that a lot more than the first one.
The Apprentice?
The Apprentice, yeah.
Yeah, the Apprentice is definitely a trainer, isn't it? This is a much hotter of an airplane, way faster. So, no, you did outstanding with that. So, thank you, Logan, for coming out and giving this thing a shot.